Peace be with you. Today is the 4th week of Advent. It's so exciting. We now have 4 candles lit on our wreath. And it means that Christmas is soon. Jesus is going to be born. Yay! The 4 candles represent today peace. Well, what is peace? Peace is like, when you have a good relationship. Let's use an example. A brother and a sister. If they're constantly picking on each other and nagging, being mean, not saying kind words, being selfish and taking away toys, that's not peace. Inside you feel bad and out of sorts. But let's say that brother and sister help one another. They say nice words to each other. Someone says, well, you look good. And the other one says, well, thank you for helping me. Hey, do you want to play together? Those are examples of a peaceful relationship. Jesus came to earth because we are sinners. We did things badly. We did things wrong. We don't have a good relationship with God because of our sin. Our relationship is hurting. There's no peace. Jesus came so that he could bring us back to God, to heal our relationship and to heal our relationships with one another. For example, our brothers and sisters, husbands and wives, our friends, and even our parents, so that everyone can be peaceful. So this week, don't be obsessed with what you're going to get under the Christmas tree, but think about the gift that Jesus gave us, the gift of peace and love. The gift that you can go to heaven, and that's the best gift. Today, our Bible verse, the night that Jesus was born, the angels appeared and they were singing and glorifying God. Glory to God in the highest heavens, and here on earth, peace to those on whom God's favor rests.